Now all the news will be bad. Yeah, that's right. What's up, people? Hey, if you go check out a couple of videos ago, maybe sometime in April, when I was talking about sentiment changed and how charts don't matter, technical analysis works on some extent, of course. Fundamentals, you know that doesn't work, right? Just take a look at Groupon right now. I mean, first they were going out of business from last quarter. Now I guess they suck less than people thought they were going to suck this quarter. So whether or not they're going to stay in business or not, still don't really know. It's all about whether Zynga's going to get bought out or Groupon's going to get bought out by Facebook, and they're going to be cross mergers and all kinds of different situations. And JP Morgan and the Rogue Trader. How come they're not blaming the Rogue Trader? I'm going to have to come out of the woodwork with the Rogue Trader because, I mean, this is a situation where it was calling for Rogue Traderness, right? Where's the Rogue Trader in all this? They just owned up to the bad trade that they did? I don't believe it. You know why they could do that? Because it's just one bad trade. They just did one bad trade. You know what would be great? If they actually raised interest rates, paid the customers some money in their savings accounts and checking accounts, and actually started lending money. I know, my brain, it starts to, when rational thought starts to come into it, it starts to overheat. Okay, so lately it's all about been trading, right? We've been preaching about how what we've witnessed in the last couple of weeks has shown the light. Investing doesn't work. It's all about trading. Imagine you had your money in Cisco all this time, or the list of stocks that we were loving. Remember Morgan Stanley going into the 20s and Cisco in the 20s and OCZ and Taser and all the other stocks. But whatever. Nothing matters except what we're going to do today. Nothing matters about what we did yesterday. It's all about what happens today. And today we're just going to look for more of the same. Let's look for stocks that are reversing and going back down or reversing and going back up. We're going to focus in on the stocks that had news on them over the last couple of days. Obviously, we're looking at Zynga and Groupon today, as well as LinkedIn, and, of course, anything associated with the social media revolution that we're in. Woo! Woo! But what I want to talk about today is, well, we got to talk more about what goes on behind the paywall. As somebody was walking, where are your 10-minute videos where you start delving into the amount of Quaaludes that you took and your relationships with your wife? Well, if you want to hear about the illegal ingestion that I did in my 20s, you're going to have to get behind the paywall. And if you got to figure out where it is, if you don't know the link to the room at this point, just send me an email or just watch one of the videos. But what I want to talk about is how sentiment has changed now and the market's going down. Remember when we were going up just way back in March and April, where there would be news coming out of Greece and we didn't give a shit. News came out of Spain, fuck Spain. Portugal, screw you. Didn't matter. Nothing mattered when the market was going up. That's the way it is. But now, every little news tidbit that comes out, negative swing to it. Who cares about JP Morgan? Who cares? Just blame the Rogue Trader. Bull market. Who cares about Greece and their voting? Fuck austerity. All that shit. Don't worry about it. It's a bull market. Go, 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 go. All we need is Apple and Priceline. All we need is Apple and Priceline. Shut your mouth. Now suddenly everything matters again because Apple's not going up every day and Priceline's fall. Oh, it's fallen 100 points. Are you selling premium in those calls yet? Maybe you should. Priceline's not going back to 775 this year. Did I just go out on a limb and give a price prediction? And when Priceline's at 800, someone to come after me? Oh, don't make price predictions because you don't know what's going to happen in the next day or so. That's right. Maybe you're catching on. I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. But what I do know, and if you do know what's going to happen, maybe 3 minutes from now, you could profit on that information. And that's what we do. And then when I'm done doing it, Mr. Walken comes on, breaks down the charts. Oh, I'll be damned if he's not the best chartist I ever met. Drawing lines and Fibonacci's. Oh, it's amazing. I'll be damned if he doesn't blow your mind. All right, and there's only one place to find him also. So, do what you got to do. Find us. Tell your friends. Because nobody's doing what we do now. Now everything's clicking on all cylinders. You want short-term, you want long-term, you want charts, you want sentiment analysis, you want seasonality analysis, you want friends, you want guys who write books, you want fundamental analysis. I still, my brain doesn't, the word behind that doesn't even make sense to me saying that. But all that stuff, it's found right here. What am I pointing at exactly?